Hi, I'm Rob with Hayneedle. This is a short video on the assembly of the Hampton baker's rack. The estimated time on this assembly is around 10 minutes, and the only tool you will need is an Allen wrench, which is provided. Start by opening your box and removing its contents. Then locate your instructions. On the front, you'll find a parts and hardware list. Take a brief inventory to make sure you have all the pieces needed for this assembly. Using our 4 bolts and washers labeled as 1, we'll first be attaching our rack labeled as A to our base labeled as B. Place your rack on your base, lining up the holes with the holes in the base. Then insert one of your bolts into each hole and fully tighten using your Allen wrench. Repeat this step for the opposite side. We'll now attach our shelves. We'll start with D. Place D on the bottom and on the pegs in the front. Insert through the tab on both sides. And we'll repeat this step for our shelf C on the top. And there you have your finished baker's rack.